Okay, so I want you to look at your observations on numbers 1, 2, and 3 from your yellow sheet. What did you decide is true about corresponding angles? They are the same. So when we're talking about angles and we know that they're the same measure, we have a word for that. It's called congruent. So I would like you to write in on page 7 that corresponding angles are congruent. If we know that angle 1 is 100 degrees, then angle 5 is 100 degrees.
Go ask the finger.
All right, now I want you to look at 4 and 5. You made some observations about alternate exterior angles. What did you notice? That they were the same. So can you go to that third one? Alternate exterior angles are congruent. Are you gonna get your notes out?
Can you think yet?
No.
Yeah.
You have a pass.
I never said I didn't. I do have a pass.
Okay, but I know, but not yet, because I want you to make sure you get this written down. Okay. Now, on the back side, number 6 and 7, we looked at alternate interior angles. What observation did you make about alternate interior angles? They are the same. I know, right? Ooh, but then in that last question on the back side, I asked you about consecutive interior angles. Are consecutive interior angles congruent? Are they the same? No, they're not the same. So our lines are parallel. But what is true about the measure of angles 4 and angle 5? What do you mean? Okay. Now we've talked about how angles, like in this picture right here, angles 3 and 5 are alternate interior angles and they're congruent. So 4 and 5 are different, but they're still special. Angle 4 and angle 5 are different, but what's special about their relationship? Any ideas?
Says you.
They're on the same side. So I have a question. I'm going to cover this up. What's true about what's true about angles 3 and 4? They are adjacent. What else? Oh my gosh, they make a straight line, which means what? They're supplementary. What did we decide was true about 3 and 5? They're congruent. So if 3 and 4 add up to 180 and 3 is the same as 5, what's going to be true about 4 and 5? Consecutive interior angles are supplementary. They add to equal 180. What?
Hypothetically, if you had a reboot, would you be like the lady that like went to the mailbox and stuff?
No. But thank you for asking.
No, actually, like, if you like got like no. That'd be so fun. You could be like pretend to ride on Oakland. You could be like
okay. We're gonna go to page 8. We're gonna go to page 8. Okay. And it says that angle 1 is 68 degrees. That's So can you write 68 degrees where angle 1 is? Can you hear me? Okay. Woo! Okay. So angle 1 and angle 8. Jacob, what is the relationship? Angle 1 and angle 8. What kind of angles are those? Okay. Angle 1 and angle 8 are alternate exterior. And we decided alternate exterior angles are the same. Congruent would be a great. Okay. Yeah. Okay. Reagan, what kind of angles are 1 and 5? Angles 1 and 5 are corresponding, and we've decided that corresponding angles are congruent. So we know angle 5 is 68 degrees. Okay. What is true about angles 4 and 5? What is their relationship? What do we call those?
Alternate interior.
Alternate interior. And what do we know about alternate interior? They are congruent. They are the same. I don't care.
Consecutive.
Ooh, okay. So let's talk about that, Jacob. So we know that angles 3 and 3 and 5 are consecutive interior. Since they are consecutive interior, are they the same? No. But what's special about them? They are supplementary. So if I want to figure out the measure of angle 3, I need to take 180 minus 68. Could somebody help me with that?
No, guys, actually, let me lock in, please.
Without a calculator, can I get? And with a calculator, you confirm? Okay. Okay. All right. Angles 3 and 6. Kale, what kind of angles are those? Consecutive or alternate? Alternate interior. Everybody, what do we know about alternate interior angles?
They are congruent.
Congruent. So we know angle 6 is 112. Nobody stole your thunder. Okay. All right. Kaden, this one's for you. What kind of angles are 6 and 7? None of those 4. It's not gonna help you. This is from 2 days ago. Oh, bonus points for Kaden. Vertical, and we know that vertical angles are congruent.
Oh,
Yeah. Okay. What do you think goes there? Oh, this? Okay. What's angle 2? 112. It is alternate exterior with angle 7. We are so smart. Okay, so let's lock in for one more example together. And then I'll get you to your homework. Are you ready? Locked in?
I'm locked in. Like
Okay.
a seatbelt and a buckle.
Okay.
Like a tow truck and a tow strap. You know, like peanut butter and like jelly.
Okay, we're done. All right, angle 7 is 134. Reagan, give me another angle that's 134. Sophie, what's the relationship between angle 7 and angle 3? What's the name of those? An alternate interior, they're inside, right? Okay, great.
Wait.
Okay. Lainey, What else do we know? What other angle is 134 degrees? So this guy right here. So what I want you to notice is that these two right here, they make a line, which means they're going to add up to be 180. Okay, so can they both be 134? No. So instead of that one, like what kind of angles are these two right here? Okay, let's go back to our vocabulary. Which one of these four did I just draw out? Looks like they're in the same spot. So which one of those are in like the same spot? So like notice how this is like top left and like this is top left. These are in the same spot. What do we call that? Corresponding. Okay, angles 7 and 5 are corresponding. So we know that that angle 5 has to be 134. Yeah, what's another one that's 134? Angle 1. We know that angle 5 and angle 1 are alternate exterior angles, so they have to be the same.
Hold on, wait. So which ones are all 134? I got it.
Okay. Okay. So let's start with angle 2. Emma, how do we get angle 2? Angle 2 right there.
Okay.
From? Yeah, so what's 180 minus 134, Jacob?
Oh, it's 46.
It is 46.
I'm ahead of the game.
Huh? Not how, I already is what she said. Okay, what's the measure of angle 6? 46 degrees, because those two are alternate interior. Oh, Jacob says, hey, the rest are 46. Is that true?
Oh, I'm on a spree today, dude.
On a spree. Okay. So on page 9, this is what I want you to do. And you have, some of you might actually be able to get done with it, I think. On page 9, you're going to do 7, 8, 9, 10. So circle them. Basically, you're not going to do 11. Unless you really want to.